Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. If you thought Midjourney 4 was impressive, just wait until you see Midjourney 5 images. Yesterday, Midjourney announced that they will be releasing version 5 soon. So let's have a look at the fine print, and after that I have some test images for you from the alpha model. So sit back and enjoy the rest of the video.
If you found this tutorial helpful and informative, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.